Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a zip on male trousers. A common issue is a zipper that gets stuck, often due to fabric caught in the teeth or a lack of lubrication. First, carefully check for any trapped material and gently pull it free. If the zipper still resists, try lubricating the teeth. You can use a graphite pencil, rubbing its tip along both sides of the teeth, or apply a small amount of bar soap. This helps the slider glide smoothly. Sometimes, a zipper's teeth become misaligned or bent, causing it to separate or not close properly. If you notice bent teeth, use a pair of small needle nose pliers to gently straighten them back into position. Be very careful not to apply too much force, as this could damage the teeth further. After straightening, ensure all teeth are perfectly aligned before attempting to move the slider. A loose slider can also contribute to teeth separating, so check its fit. If your zipper slider is broken, worn out, or simply too loose to engage the teeth, replacing it is often the best solution. First, you'll need to remove the old slider. This usually involves carefully prying open the metal stop at the top of the zipper with pliers and sliding the old one off. Then, find a new slider that matches your zipper's type and size. Carefully slide the new one onto the teeth, ensuring it engages both sides evenly, then reattach the top stop. There are times when a full zipper replacement is unavoidable. This is typically the case if many zipper teeth are broken or missing, or if the fabric tape holding the zipper is torn. Replacing an entire zipper requires some basic sewing skills and tools, including a seam ripper, needle, and thread. You'll need to carefully remove the old zipper and sew in a new one. If this seems too daunting, consider taking your trousers to a professional tailor for a reliable fix.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.